Hello guys, welcome to our new video on AI tools in Excel. Today we are going to see a new Excel AI tool which will increase your productivity in your work. So we all have Google Chrome. You can refer internet browser and there type sheet plus. So I've typed sheet plus. So here you can see you will get a sheet plus. It is an AI powered tool that simplifies the process of creating accurate Excel and Google Sheet formulas. So just click on Sheet Plus. It will take you to the website page of the provider and you can click here Start for free. You can click on Sign up. So I will write my name. I will write my email address. And I will just click on continue. So the message says great, check your inbox and click the link. So let's go to another tab, open your email. So you have got a mail from ACRP AI. So after opening it, it says confirm sign up. So click on confirm sign up. And so you have successfully subscribed to Sub AI. So it gives us its particular dashboard. So I can click here and you can see here more stuff is there. Then click on AI tools. So now after clicking on, you just click on sign in. Again write your email address. So I'm writing my email address and it will ask us to send login link. So check your inbox and check the link, click the link. So again go to inbox and we've got it. Sign into SERP AI. Once again, when you send login link, it will ask us to secure sign in link for AI. So again click on that link. So once you have got the login details, you can click on search. So click on search and now we are working on Excel. So you can type Excel and so you can see here that there is a list like Excel. So Excel will take you to its own website where it gives you an AI tool like this. This is Excel AI. Then if I want another tool, so Excel, type Excel and see, you can see here Excel dashboard and data analysis masterclass. Third one is Excel formalizer. Fourth is ChatGPT for Excel. Microsoft Excel data analysis toolkit bundle. Python programming for Excel. Data analysis and visualization Python, Excel, Power BI, Tableau. So in this way you can see there are more features of Excel in this particular, like add creative.ai, computer vision with Python. These all are related to Microsoft Excel. So you can use this particular AI tools and you can implement your data in Microsoft Excel. So thank you all of you.